In this week's edition of Update Bowling Green, we'll discuss the ongoing efforts to clean up Bowling Green after the recent tornadoes. While there is still much work to be done throughout town, residents of the hardest hit areas like those in Moss Meadow, Cedar Ridge, Magnolia, Nutwood, Indian Hills, and Covington neighborhoods are starting to see dramatic changes. The city has between 14 to 16 debris removal trucks working 7 days a week to remove vegetation and construction debris caused by the storms. The trucks will switch back and forth, one day picking up vegetation and another day picking up construction debris from damaged structures. Residents who have had debris picked up but continue to have more should continue to push their debris to the right-of-way so that the additional debris can be picked up. Your city crews are working hard to clean up Mother Nature's destruction. You're watching Update Bowling Green.